You see the face, I hear the voice, and know say a bulb represent for things we hide. And nobody go watch it, cause our night bad, mad, and sick bomb of them. Watch out, man. Just run go over there, no people. Cause you know what things said. Like, share, and comment.
Right.
Never likes.
You don't know, say I see the artist I represent you. And Bulby don't tell you things we hide. Part 3. So check it. And if you not subscribe yet, subscribe now.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Me don't know what me they lock him up, you know. But what me I get to understand is that like a some setup go on. You understand? Some setup, somebody set up him.
I'm going to feel like I can't bother give the 3 man. Because I have to go down here my 5 go spend some of my 5 shan't to feel 3 go shan't. How you feel like? Eh?
But me, you see you, me not like how you move still now.
No, man, no,
You move like a corrupt. I remember say you work this.
No, man, of course. I job and I'm say I will take it out, you know. Protect your citizens, you know.
You take it over, protect your citizens, but you not move like you want.
Why make you say so? Me no say because you know him, you could have give him some leniency. Remember say the law is not by letter, you know. Sometimes you can work around it.
My money me a defend. You are telling about a general fact.
I mean, I don't money figure right now, daddy, but I can't get sit still. You know?
What I take you on you?
Marika, me can't be say you're police. I'm having a horse.
Where you go? I'm going to be here. You try to go to the place and mind get them and try to put on in the boss.
So what boss? I'm your boss or your boss? What boss?